Do you enjoy dining out at a nice place? I love to check out new restaurants and try out their food and see the nice interior designs. What's great is that you can go with your friends or family, but sometimes you have to plan ahead and reserve a table, especially if it's busy and it's a popular restaurant. If this is you, well, I have an awesome lesson for you. Today, I'll be talking about how to make a reservation at a restaurant over the phone. Now, I know for a lot of people, speaking on the phone isn't always comfortable. But no fear, I'll be giving you some key phrases and expressions that you can use to book a table. I'll also talk about the typical questions that they will ask you and how to respond to them. Shall we begin? Making the reservation. When we pick up the phone, we pretty much have a clear idea on what we want to do. It's just sometimes we get a little bit nervous or shy when we speak on the phone. The person on the phone will probably say, "Hi, this is Madara's Cafe," and they'll ask you how they can help you. This is your opportunity to state your purpose, and in this case, it's to book a table. So here are a few ways you can express that. 1. Can I make a reservation? 2. Can I book a table? 3. Can I reserve a table? We have a few different words that we can use, but the idea is the same. Like, for example, make a reservation, book a table, reserve a table. We start with a pretty simple question to let the person know that we want to dine at their restaurant, and that's when we use can I. And as you notice, we start the question with can, and that's a pretty casual and easy way to begin. But you can also use the word could, which is a much more polite way to ask the question. For example, could I make a reservation? Could I book a table? Could I reserve a table? The question doesn't need to be complicated. After that, they'll probably ask you two questions: when and how many. Now, there are a few ways that they can ask you this question. So for time, they could ask for when and what time. When do you want to reserve a table? When would you like to come? What time and day would you like? What time would you like the reservation for? Now, for you on the other end of the phone, you can say, number 1, do you have a table for Monday at 6 p.m? 2, can you do Monday at 6 p.m? 3, it's for Monday at 6 p.m. Or 4, I would like a table for Monday at 6 p.m. As you can see, we can ask a question or make a statement when we book a table. Both are perfectly fine in how we book or make a reservation. You have a few options, and it's entirely up to you. Whatever is comfortable for you. Now, the next question they'll ask is the number of people, and they can ask it like this: how many? For how many? How many people? How many people are coming? How many people will be in the party? So when you hear those questions, then you know that they are asking about how many people are coming. So let's check out how we can answer this. We can say, there will be 4 of us. A table for 4. I'd like a table for 4. It's a party of 4. Super easy. And this gives you a few choices in how to respond to this question. After this, the restaurant usually confirms if there's an available slot for you. But if there isn't, they'll ask you for a different time, and from there, I think you can answer that question for them. They'll probably ask you for your name and your phone number to make sure that you are booked for the reservation. There you go. And that is how we make a reservation at a restaurant. Now remember, the key expressions for booking a table: the date, the time, and the number of people in a party. Awesome! Let me know how it goes in the comments. Get out there and explore those wonderful restaurants. Alright, make sure you subscribe and follow me on my channel and Instagram. I'm Joe, and this is Hula. Until next time, bye!